Promoted listings on eBay have been a subject of debate among sellers, with some expressing concerns about their impact on prices and seller reputation. Welcome to our channel eComHardy.com, and in this video, we will explore the arguments presented by sellers and discuss the influence of promoted listing fees on eBay's pricing dynamics. Additionally, we will provide tips on enhancing the visibility of eBay listings, irrespective of ad fees. So, let's delve into the details. The impact of ad fees on eBay sellers. One vocal seller on the eBay discussion boards labeled ad fees as a cancer that, while temporarily boosting the company's revenue, was tarnishing eBay's reputation as a hub for excellent deals. The crux of the seller's argument was that ad fees were driving up the cost of selling on eBay, leading sellers to increase their prices. By adding ad fees on top of the annual FVF, final value fee, hikes, eBay sellers faced reduced profit margins. Consequently, sellers felt compelled to raise their prices to maintain profitability. Moreover, the seller highlighted the challenge of escalating wholesale prices due to inflation, coupled with eBay's continuous fee increments. This squeeze on profits was resulting in fewer items being viable for sellers to offer on eBay. While the seller's perspective highlighted the negative repercussions of ad fees, some sellers disagreed. They argued that sellers had the choice to opt out of paying extra for promoted listings and could rely on other means to sell their products. However, another seller contended that promoting listings was crucial for achieving sales success. They emphasized that without leveraging the promoted listing feature, sellers faced difficulties in gaining visibility and generating sales on eBay's competitive platform. Furthermore, sellers recognized that the effectiveness of promoted listings varied across different categories, acknowledging that certain products might benefit more from ad promotion than others. The original poster responded to counterarguments by emphasizing a significant shift in eBay's approach. They lamented that eBay's reputation and performance were once the key factors for achieving an advantage. However, with the introduction of promoted listings, the dynamics changed to a pay-to-play model. They questioned whether it was expected that new or less established sellers wouldn't utilize this tool to level the playing field. Furthermore, they argued that veteran and top-rated sellers with substantial inventories were compelled to participate in promoted listings to compete effectively. Drawing a parallel to a similar debate surrounding Google's introduction of AdWords, another seller highlighted the necessity of adapting to the changing landscape. They pointed out that while not identical to eBay's sponsored listings, the shift in dynamics presented a similar challenge. To ensure the continued success of their thriving websites, adaptation was crucial. If you are seeking strategies to enhance the visibility of your eBay listings, whether or not you opt for ad fees, consider the following tips. 1. Optimize titles and descriptions. Craft compelling, keyword-rich titles and descriptions that accurately represent your products. 2. Utilize high-quality images. Use high-resolution images that showcase your products from various angles to attract potential buyers. 3. Leverage detailed item specifics. Fill out all relevant item specifics to provide comprehensive information to buyers and improve search visibility. 4. Offer competitive pricing. Research and analyze the market to ensure your pricing remains competitive while maintaining profitability. 5. Provide exceptional customer service. Prioritize prompt communication, efficient shipping, and positive buyer experiences to garner positive reviews and improve your seller reputation. Conclusion. Promoted listings on eBay have generated mixed opinions among sellers. While some sellers believe that ad fees contribute to higher prices on the platform, others argue that promoting listings is crucial for sales success. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, eComHardy.com, for more helpful content. Stay informed and achieve success in your e-commerce journey. Thank you for your support.